Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Khadija. In this video I'll show you one of the biggest mall in Jeddah, Red Sea Mall, and I'll try the national food from the supermarket. Let's go! My journey has begun from the port of Jeddah. Then I took the shuttle bus to the old city center, Al-Balad. All shops were closed, the streets were empty because of Ramadan. It was very hot outside, so I decided to take a taxi and go to the Red Sea Mall. I walked through the empty corridors. Only a few shops were open. After a mini shopping, I tried to find some food. The food court was also empty, but I found a couple of places with food. I chose one Love Cane's restaurant and ordered a sandwich combo menu. It was really tasty. After I went to the supermarket, where I couldn't get past the Arabic snacks. I was full, but decided to try the national food.
Salad, okay? We have falafel,
Yeah.
hummus, and normal eggplant here. And we have corn here.
Can you do something like shawarma or
No,
not?
we don't have the
Okay, I'll try the falafel.
3 pieces.
3 pieces.
3 pieces?
Yeah.
Yes. Enjoy.
Yeah, thank you. And 1 real for falafel. I am not a food blogger, but I want to share my impressions with you.
The restaurant. Okay, with chocolate. I like this. This white cream. This chocolate better. And this one. Nice. I like this. And this chocolate. Baklava. And the last one, baklava. So sweet.
Walking along the mall, I forgot about the time. It's time to get back to the ship. I took a taxi and came back to the old city. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy coming along on this day with me, and I'll see you in the next. Bye!